Traveling solo can be an exciting experience for any individual, but Black female solo travelers often face unique challenges. In this video, we will cover what every Black female solo traveler needs to know for safe traveling. Before embarking on your solo travel journey, it's essential to research your destination thoroughly. This includes knowing the local customs and laws, places to avoid, and the general safety of the location. Pack light, and make sure you bring appropriate clothing. Dressing conservatively in countries where this is expected can help prevent unwanted attention, harassment, or even violence. When selecting accommodation, make sure it's in a safe location and has positive reviews. Consider booking a room on a higher floor with a view of the entrance to your room. It's also a good idea to let someone know where you're staying. Staying connected with friends and family back home is critical, especially when traveling alone. Carry a charged mobile phone and have access to the internet whenever possible. You know yourself better than anyone else, and your gut instinct is usually right. If something doesn't feel right or safe, trust your instincts and remove yourself from the situation. There you have it. By researching your destination, dressing appropriately, booking your accommodation wisely, staying connected, and trusting your instincts, you can travel safely as a Black female solo traveler. With these tips in mind, you're ready to embark on your solo travel adventure with confidence.